Tired of messy paperwork and struggling to get invoices out the door? Let's dive straight into NetSuite and I will show you how to create professional customer invoices in just a few clicks. First, navigate to Transactions, then select Sales, and finally click on Create Invoice. You'll be taken to the invoice creation form. Start by selecting the customer from the drop-down menu. You can search by name or customer ID. Next, confirm the date and posting period are correct. These fields are usually pre-populated, but it's always good to double-check. Now, let's add the line items. In the Item section, select the product or service you are billing for. Enter the quantity, and the rate will populate automatically. NetSuite handles the calculations for you. Specify the payment terms in the Terms field. This dictates when the payment is due and if any early payment discounts apply. Use the Memo field to add any additional information or notes about the invoice for your customer. Once you've reviewed all the information, click the Save button at the bottom of the page. Your invoice is now created. You can print it, email it directly to your customer, or even accept online payments through NetSuite's integrated payment processing features. That's all there is to it. Invoice Created.